Hey guys, what's up? It's Ark here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make easy Fortnite thumbnails for completely free for your montages or just whatever. So first off, you're going to want to go to pixart.com. It's completely free. You might have to make an account, but for the most part it's free. Just put in your Google account. They don't spam you or anything. So you're just going to select custom size and do 1280 by 720 because that is. And make sure this is on pixels, by the way, not inches or centimeters. That is the Fortnite thumbnail size. And then once you got a screen like this, go over to stickers. And this is where you're pretty much going to do everything is on stickers. But before you do any of this, go ahead and search up on Google Fortnite backgrounds. I like the look of this one, so I'm going to go ahead and download this. Okay. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and do photos, my photos, click on that. I'm going to select back on stickers. Oops. And then we're just going to drag this out, make sure it fills up the whole screen. Okay, just like that. And now on stickers, this is the most important part. We're going to go here. We're going to look up Fortnite. Now you can do like Fortnite character or like tons of other stuff, but I recommend just doing Fortnite. And I like the look of this character right here. Okay, tutorial. Make sure it doesn't look like this where you can see the end of the character. So you gotta put it kind of like that. I think that size is pretty good. We're just gonna make it a little bit smaller. Kind of fades out a little bit, but oh well. And then personally, what I would do, so there's tons of stuff you can choose from here. What I'm gonna do, I like the look of like these border things. So already that looks pretty cool. If you're happy with that, that's great. I'm going to show you guys how to go a little bit more in depth though, make them a little better if you want. So first off, you're going to always want your character over top just in case, because we don't want the lines to be covering up over your character. Okay, so what you're actually going to do, you're going to not hit that. You're going to go right here to adjust, and you're going to go to colors. And I like to put up the saturation a little bit. So see how that made that like pop out a lot more. I don't want it to pop out that much. I'm gonna do something like 46. Looks about nice. And then never touch the brightness, because the brightness, if you guys want to see, that will just break it. I would rarely touch the brightness if I were you. If you really need to, you can, but it almost will never look that great. You can kind of just mess around with these, just kind of get how you want it. But once again, I just kind of like it like normal right now. One thing you can do, however, in the colors tab is hue and temperature. Now hue will completely change it. Like now, yeah, look, now it's green and purple, and it'll just completely mess with it, which is fine if that's what you're going for, but I recommend not doing this for pretty much anything. You can do it a little bit for some stuff, but I just wouldn't. And then a really important thing you're going to want to do, so you can use these like arrows or whatever, and if you want it to match the skin, you just go over here. This is what hue is useful for, and you can change the color of this. So now it's green, now it's bluish. You can really just do everything. So that's one really easy way to do that. I guess we'll just put it back. And then, yeah, you can also do the same thing with the background if you want. I don't know why I have two backgrounds. You just go here, adjust. Just change all of these if you want. I personally already like this background, so I'm just going to keep it. Might crank up the saturation a little bit. See, but that looks oversaturated right there at 100. So you're just want to, I really think 50 is like the magic number for saturation. So just do, or somewhere around the 50 range. Really, it's just preference. You can just play with it. And yeah, don't change the hue unless that's what you're going for. Really important you don't do that. And that's about it right there. One other thing, if you guys want to add text, you just go right here on the left to text, add a heading, and then you have to double click on this and you can select, and then we can just write insane game. I don't know, something cheesy like this, who knows. You can highlight it. Make sure, I think you might have to highlight it. I'm not sure. It makes you do that for Photoshop, but then we're gonna just select red because it's gonna match it. And oops, we're gonna go to fonts. I want something like I like this. Yeah, I like that. And then I recommend giving it some outlines so it can pop out. So like white outline's always good. Or shadow, either or. Then you can kind of rotate it. And yeah, that's pretty much a thumbnail right there. There you guys go. If you guys want to make something just similar to this, obviously you can use different characters, different backgrounds. This was just an example. You can also do this for profile photos or really just anything, but I really recommend doing this for thumbnails for free. It's always a great option. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy the video, please drop a like, subscribe, and if you guys want to, you can follow my Instagram down in the description. Yeah, shout out to these people on the screen now for commenting on my previous videos. And yeah, have a great day. I'll see you guys later.